Hey friends, welcome to NIKRA'S Expert Learning. So as you all know, the SSCJ CBT2 syllabus has been provided. So civil engineering, the subject-wise syllabus, detailed syllabus has been provided. So coming to the topics, here is the entire syllabus. So just comment down if you want the PDF of it. And today we are mainly focusing on soil mechanics. So we'll understand what is a phase diagram in this. Coming to the phase diagram. So you all know phase diagram is nothing but a simple diagrammatic representation of the real soil. So in phases we'll be showing what is the real soil is. So this phase diagram we are also calling it as block diagram. Okay, the phase diagram is also called as block diagram, and in this we'll be representing just a visual representation of the entire soil, the phases of it. Okay, so first in the dry soil we'll not be finding any water. So it is just air and soil solids. But when we are talking about the saturated soil, it is fully filled with water. So in that case, we'll only see water and soil. Okay. So when I am saying partially saturated, that is partially it is filled with water. That means it is having both air and water along with the soil solids. So now let's see what is a two-phase diagram and three-phase diagram of the soil. So understanding first the two-phase diagram of the soil. So the soil will behave as a two-phase system when the voids in it. So we all know the soil will have some voids. When the void space is filled with either water or air. Okay, alone. When I'm saying alone, it is only two-phase diagram. Because if it's combined, that will become a three-phase diagram. Okay, so now we are talking about two phase. So in this it will be either water or air. So such condition is possible only when the soil is fully saturated, that is it is completely filled with water, or it is oven dry soil. Okay, so when I am saying oven dry soil, in this the water quantity, the water is totally zero or negligible. So now let's understand what is a three-phase diagram. So as I have told you, in two-phase we'll have either the soil is filled with water or air. So when it is combined together, we call it as three-phase diagram. Okay, when I'm saying three phases, it will have both air and water. Okay, so a soil mass consists of the soil particles, water and air. Okay, so it is segregated. So we are just segregating it and placing it separately. Okay, and this is called as three-phase system. So a three-phase system becomes a two-phase when the soil is absolutely dry. So in dry case we'll have only solids plus air. Okay, and also fully saturated. When I'm saying fully saturated, the solid particles will be having water. Okay, but when we are talking about this three-phase system, it will be having both air and water. And remember, in phase diagram, the volumes are represented towards the left hand side and the weights are represented towards the right hand side. Okay, so when I am talking about the volume, it is written towards left, and right hand side we will be writing the weights. So as you all know, the weight of air is negligible, 0, and this is the weight of water and weight of solids. Similarly, towards the left hand side, it is volume of air, volume of water and volume of solids. So this is the three-phase diagram. So we will cover the complete civil engineering syllabus as discussed, as shown above. So we'll be covering the